Hey you guys, so I just wanted to come on here and do a quick voiceover, show you guys how I'm using these products, and also towards the end I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about how I used the iMovie green screen feature. It's a really cool new feature that Apple just added for iPhone and iPad. But first, right now you see that I'm using the hair paint wax in gold. It's a really great option alternative for naturals like me who, don't want to do like permanent color and like damage their hair like I've done in the past. I'm sure a lot of us had that same experience. Moving on to the makeup though, while the paint dries, I use a lot of NYX products as my base because they're just affordable. Like you can see the primer, the powder there. Right now I'm using that micro pencil from NYX. It's not my favorite, I'll be honest, but just in case you're wondering, it's in the color Espresso. My favorite brow pencil is actually from Benefit, but I just ran out and I just had that one. So, that's what I was using. But it's a good number two. It's a solid number two. So like if you're looking for one, I'd say Benefit. And then what I always use as my number two is that NYX one. You can see me concealing with NARS and Biscuit. I always do that as like a really heavy under brow concealer because I don't often get my brows waxed or threaded because I don't trust people, y'all. I got trust issues, so I'll just go ahead and tweeze them myself, and then I'll do like heavy concealing underneath and just a little bit on the top. I don't think me or anyone else are really into halo brows so I just do a little bit at the top, and then you can see me going in with that same concealer and just powdering my eyeshadow or my eyelid base for the eyeshadow. And for my shadow of choice, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill with Morphe collab that I really liked. It's a really good one for like a starter like me. I'm not like too much into eye makeup, but I'm trying to like teach myself some things. And right here, guys, I want to say like on a regular day, that's my look. I don't do the extra that I'm doing right there, but just kind of like before you saw me going in with the gold, that's my regular look, just like a single shadow eye look. So I like that, and then just pop on some brows and boom, I call it a day. But like when I want to jazz it up a little bit, I'll try to do something extra. And plus, like I said, I'm learning, I'm trying to teach myself new things. So I'll try to do like, a little bit extra when I can. So then I do my eyes first. And I know that's like always a big debate in the makeup world. Do you do your eyes first or do you do your foundation first? I do my eyes first, foundation second. I love that Makeup Revolution concealer. I go in to contour my cheekbones and my forehead. And then once I do that, I feel like this look is almost over, so I can start talking about the green screen. I do a really simple lip, really simple, I'm not really into lipstick. And then I just do some quick highlighting with that Juvia's Place that you're about to see me use. So now, the green screen feature for iMovie. I watched like 2 tutorials online this weekend, or on YouTube this weekend, and it was like super simple, super easy. I'll link them below just so if you guys are trying to figure out how to use it, I'll show you what I used. And then of course what I had to do was get a green screen, right? So I went to Michael's, I got 4 individual green poster boards and I glued them together and I taped it to my wall, and boom, I made a really affordable, simple green screen. It was like, super easy. And then to make my background, all I did was save all these pictures, and then I went ahead and did a pic collage. And then the pic collage took like 10 minutes. So guys, it's a really affordable option if you don't have like that, MacBook people use. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Any tips, suggestions, questions, let me know below. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.